Did you know Jamaica is divided into 14 parishes, each with its own unique flavor? Let's break them down quickly. Kingston is Jamaica's vibrant cultural and commercial hub. St. Andrew mixes urban life with lush hillsides. St. Thomas is known for its historic sites like Morant Bay, while Portland features natural beauty and stunning waterfalls. St. Catherine is home to Spanish Town and the growing city of Portmore. St. Mary offers tranquil beaches and historical landmarks. St. Anne, the Garden Parish, is where you'll find Ocho Rios and Dunn's River Falls. Clarendon has rich farmlands and bauxite mining. Manchester has cool climates perfect for agriculture. St. James is Jamaica's tourism capital thanks to Montego Bay. Hanover's Lusail blends history with coastal charm. Westmoreland is famous for Negril's beautiful beaches. Trelawney's legacy is in sugarcane, and St. Elizabeth combines fertile lands with the Black River. Which parish is your favorite? Share in the comments. Don't forget to follow us and smash that like button for more content on Jamaica's history and culture.